See how they put them in my pocket.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, all day, man. Everything nice, man. Everything alright. Everything alright, you see me? Outside with it, you see me? Yeah, man, outside with it. Yeah, man. I'm going to tell her, sit, man. Come closer. I'm not going to give out, man. Only see me impress. We don't drink no rum. You see me? To seize up, you see me? Yo, on a TVJ, this on a staging. It's a lifestyle, you see me? Yeah, man, it's a lifestyle. Active, man. Active.
Lifestyle.
It's a live style. You can't say it, man. Me don't hear, man.
Yeah, man. And if you know, man, a cabbage man or a bird man, what you want to call me, man. This is not staging, man. And me behind the camera, you see, it is a live style and not a staging, you know what I mean? Yes, I.
Yeah.
See it there? You're outside in the nature, you know.
Hey,
What do you, man?
you know the video then go say. I would not see me half an empress in it. You know what? You're doing right. Your belly full though. You have yours already. Alright. Alright. That means you're not really not staging. This name coconut apple water. When I was born. I tell us we're different, you know. And your difference is your power. Yeah, man. Your difference is your power. Right, you said it. You need to prove nothing to no man. No girl. Apple seed. Find yourself where you can grow. Yeah, man, NSC. See for me NSC. Come closer for me NSC. Yes? Yes? My NSC. Yes, I. Yeah, man, check out my new book now on Amazon. Earth Book 1, and also locally here in Jamaica. And who can wear the clothesline? We're coming out the best. We'll be getting prizes and surprises. Yo, me out here.